Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, as you can see, I got food orders. So there's a Filipino party. Thank you, Eileen. Shout out for your orders. So for the orders, I have Palabok Special Overload. It's a Filipino noodles dish. And then right here, I have Ginataang Langka or jackfruit with shrimp. And here, all-time favorite Filipino menudo. It's a pork stew with sauce, potatoes, green peas, etc. And then I have chicken wings. So this is the order for today. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this short vlog. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. Bisaan pa shoutout. Na! Shoutout to Lester. Until next time guys, bye now.